Man succumbed to injuries in a robbery after being shot and woman sexually assaulted in the said incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sh0t TV News Report. One man was shot and taken out, and another shot and injured, and a woman sexually assaulted during a robbery in Nemhart Town, St. Elizabeth on Sunday, March 20. The deceased has been identified as 20-year-old Jermaine Green, otherwise called Jimbo, a farmer of Nemhart Town. Reports from the Junction Police are that at about 8:15 p.m., armed men invaded the family's home and demanded cash and cellular phones. A struggle ensued between Green and one of the gunmen, during which he was shot. Another man said to be a relative of Green was also shot and injured during the incident, and the female sexually assaulted. The robbers escaped with the cellular phones and an undetermined sum of cash. The police were summoned and the injured people taken to hospital, where Green succumbed to his injuries on arrival and the others treated and released. The police is appealing to anyone with information that can assist the investigators in locating the perpetrators of this heinous crime to contact the Black River Police Station at 876-965-2056, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. We will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.